Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 13th of March, 2021. And this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the third week of March. Let's begin with spot gold, where after a couple of weeks of weakness, and it has after a slight dip on the Monday to test the 138 fib extension of this swing move down. It has managed to bounce back up, but then after tailing off and pulling back on towards the end of Thursday, and then Friday all the way back down to 1700, it's managed a strong bounce back up. So this is going to be a tough week ahead with possibly further consolidation. There is a strong resistance zone at the 1750, and it has not been able to recover that strongly so far. So at the moment there is a demand at the 1700 area, but we will see whether it's able to reach the 1750. We'll take a look at the US dollar index in a while, but meanwhile, let's also take a look at the 4-hour time frame, where it started with some weakness, but then recovered strongly. And after a bear flag, a bull flag, sorry, it managed to climb up higher, but then gave all that away towards the end of Thursday and beginning of Friday. But then found support again at 1700 and recovered strongly towards the end of the day. So this is going to be interesting whether it's able to continue this within this, perhaps within this channel, and attempting to climb back up to the 1747 and 1750 resistance zone. So we'll see how this correlates with the US dollar index as well. Let's go back to the daily time frame, and this coming week there's going to be a key event on the US calendar with the FOMC rate decisions on rate and monetary policy decision on Wednesday or early Thursday morning in Singapore, and with sandwich between the US retail sales and Philly Fed. But we'll see what happens within this 500 pip range. Let's also take a quick look on the weekly time frame, and it was a positive close of the 138 fib. We'll see whether it's going to recover a bit more. Perhaps if it does climb up above the 1750, then it's going to face resistance at this swing low at the 100 fib 1764 area. So that could be another resistance area if it's able to climb up higher. All right. If it does dip lower, then it has to break this 138 fib extension and target the 1650 area before it gets to 162 fib extension. All right, let's take a look at the US dollar index as well. And last week, it wasn't able to resume its bullish breakout above this previous swing low after a couple of months of weakness below that. It dipped below on Thursday, but attempted to recover and climb back up, but then closed just below it as well. So it has not been able to test the 200 EMA. And if it does recover higher, then it needs to break that to test this key resistance zone, where it's the 62 fib retracement of this swing, or that's also the 21 fib retracement of this move down. Okay, if it's not able to continue higher, then there's a danger of it moving closer back down to the intermediate support area of 90.91, where the 55 EMA is coming up as well. So that could be another area of support. So this will definitely be a key event next week with the FOMC meeting. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen, however, has after attempting to hit the weekly R1 area, pull back lower, but managed a strong recovery on Friday and breaking through the 200 fib extension of this reversal move. So the dollar yen has been performing quite well. And apart from the FOMC meeting, there's also the Bank of Japan decisions this Friday. So the dollar yen has already hit the 109 area. We'll see whether it's able to reach out higher. Yeah, pull back lower. There's a key resistance zone coming up at the 78.6 fib retracement, and just below the 110 area. There's a key psychological round figure. So this zone will be of interest. And that is from this drop from first quarter of last year, from April and March of last year, so just a year ago, and it's trying to climb back up into this 78 fib retracement. So it's trying to recover this this drop from last year. All right. So we'll see how the US dollar index movement is, and that will impact all the major pairs and spot gold. And 3 central bank decisions next week with the Bank of England, FOMC, Federal Reserve, and the Bank of Japan. So a lot of news coming up. So do check out my other videos on the other major pairs and weekly Ichimoku analysis as well. Have a safe week and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.